So let us discuss here more challenging questions. So in more challenging question number first is there to simplify. Okay, question number one is there to simplify, and in simplification the question is minus 21 by 7 into minus 14 by 7 in the bracket minus 8 upon 45 multiply 15 upon 16. Okay, this is the question which is given us and we have to solve it, we have to simplify it. Okay, so if you see in this question there are two brackets. This is first bracket and this is second bracket, and if you know that if you have any kind of simplification, first we need to solve the bracket only. So if we need to solve the bracket, you know that if we solve the first bracket, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Okay, then if you talk about this one, that when you are doing any question of simplification, first we solve bracket, and in this question we have two brackets. First one, that one bracket, and the second one, this one bracket. So first I have solved the first bracket, and in that first bracket 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So here we have minus 3 left, here we have minus 2 left. Okay, then we have sign of minus, let it be the sign of minus. Now 15 1s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. It means here we have minus 1 by 3, here we have 1 by 2. Okay, after simplification I have written this one. Now let us multiply and take out the answer. So minus minus will give you here plus, and 3 2s will give you here 6. Okay, now we have minus, so let it be minus only. Then this is minus, so let it be minus. 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6. You have this one. Now this is 6. Minus minus will give you here plus, and this is 1 by 6. Okay, so one number is written in the form of normal fraction, one number is written in the form of whole number. So when it will be added together, it will give you 6 whole 1 by 6. This is the solution for this question. I hope you have understood. If not understood, I will request you all to please reply me in the chat box. Next question is question number 2. And question number 2 says, subtract the sum of minus 42 and 11 and 49 upon 22 from the sum of 33 by 8 and minus 29 upon 4. Okay, so if you see this question thoroughly, you will get 3 operations. How 3 operations? If you see, it is written here, you have to subtract. So ये हो गया first operation. Then you have written sum of, and downside also the sum of. It means this question can be done in 3 ways. 3 ways means 3 steps. Okay, how 3 steps? First, take out the sum of the first statement. Then second one, take out the sum of the second statement, and then you do the subtraction. So first I am dividing this question in 2 parts. First I am taking the sum of this one, minus 42 upon 11 plus 49 upon 22. This side I am taking 33 upon 8 and minus 29 upon 4. Okay, because you have to find out the sum in this situation. Now if you see this one, 11 and 22, when you will take the LCM, it will give you only 22. Now 22, when you will make it multiplication, 42 multiplied by 2, it will give you here minus 84 plus 49. नीचे divide ऊपर multiply का process I have used. ठीक है? तो now जब इसको solve करेंगे तो 14 में से 9 जाएगा, बचेगा कितना 5. 7 में से 4 जाएगा, बचेगा 3 and minus 35 upon 22. ठीक है, according to the solution we will get it minus 35 upon 22 in the first step. Now moving on to next, if you talk about the second one, when you will solve it, 8 and 4 का LCM will be 8. Now नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply, so it will be divided, it will give you 33. Then plus and minus, when you will solve it, it will give you minus only. 4 and 8 when you will divide, it will give you 2, and 29 to the 58. ठीक है, is it correct? Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Anyone please reply. Yes. Now when you will solve it, 8 minus 3 it will give you here 5, and 5 minus 3 it will give you here 2. Yes. Correct. Huh? It will give you minus 25 upon 8. Minus 25 upon 8 will be coming in the solution here. Now we have only the last step left. Okay, we have only the last step left, and in that last step when you will do it, it will be asking from us to do the subtraction part. Okay, or subtraction from which number? See, subtract this solution, means this solution from this one. Okay, from this one. So it means the second part will come in front and the first part will come in back. It means it will give you according to question ATQ. According to question, you have to subtract minus 25 by 8 from minus 35 upon 22. Okay, when you will solve it, it will give you here. No, sorry, I wrote little bit wrong.
Ma'am, it's opposite.
Yes, it is only minus. You have to put this. I forgot to put the sign. Okay, it will give you direct minus. It is telling you have to take this one and then subtract that the previous one. So now we will solve this one. It will give you minus 25 by 8. Minus and minus, when you will solve, it will give you here plus 35 upon 22. Now LCM of 8 and 22. What will come? It will give you here 2, 11, 222. No, 44. What is coming as LCM? 88. 88 will be there, no? Yes, 88 will come. LCM would be 88. So when you will take the LCM, it will give you 88. Here it will give you minus 25 only. Then when you will take it up, it will give you here 140. And when you will solve it, it will give you here just a minute. 11, 25 into 11. I have not done it. 25 into 11. Solve करेंगे तो it will give you here 5 to the 22 and 5 27. 275 plus 140 upon 88. जब solve करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा 5 में से 0 गया बचा 5, 7 में से 4 गया बचा 3, 1 में से 2 में से 1 गया बचा 1, 135 upon 88. This will be the answer. Now reply, have you understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, understood.
Yes, ma'am. Anyone who has difficulty in understanding this question or understood, please reply in the chat box. If understood, write yes. If not understood, write no. Fine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Fine. Thank you very much, everyone. Now moving on to next question. Okay?
Please wait.
Moving on to next. Note it, if you are noting it, note it down the blanks and fill in the blanks. Have given the value here. Let us discuss this question. I took the screenshot of this one, I believe. If not taken, I am taking this one. Yes. Now I am moving with the next question. Question number 3. So question number 3 is fill in the blank. So let me discuss fill in the blank. And according to fill in the blank, question number first is 27 upon 16. Anyone who has the book, can you tell me after 27 upon 16, is this the sign of plus or divide? Please tell me.
Divide.
Acha, it's divide. This is divide. This is blank into divided by, so is equal to minus 15 upon 8. Now remember, when you are talking about this question, we have divided by this number. Okay? So सबसे पहले let us take it by x. Okay? Let us take it by x. Now remember, don't transfer this number. Don't transfer this number. ठीक है? हमेशा ट्रांसफर क्या करो, पहले इसको लेके जाओ इधर और इसको लेकर आओ इधर. ठीक है? तो ये जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई में उधर, मतलब ये चला जाएगा उधर, ये इधर आ जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई के फॉर्म में, बिकॉज यू आर टेकिंग दिस नंबर, सो इट विल गिव यू 27 by 16. ठीक है? और ये आ जाएगा आपके पास, उधर पे जाएगा ये. एक मिनट. Look at here. I am telling you in the different way. Look at here. सबसे पहले we will discuss 27 upon 16 will be here only. This is in the form of divide by x. It will go that side, minus 15 by 8 into multiply by x. ये divide में था, वहाँ गया multiply में. अब this number will come this side. So it will give you 27 upon 16 divided by minus 15 upon 8 is equal to x. Now you will solve it. Will give you 27 upon 16, divide will convert into multiply, it will give you 8 upon minus 15. X will remain x only. X will remain x only. Now we will solve this one. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27. Now we have solved it further, it will give you minus 9 upon 10 as the answer. Minus 9 upon 10 in the answer. Will you please tell me that understood or not? If understood, write down yes. If not understood, let me tell you. Sorry, let me know that whether you have understood or not. Please reply. Students, please reply yes or no.
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Yes, I will repeat it. Just give me a moment. I have discussed in this question, the fill in the blanks was given, and in fill in the blank there was a sign of division. देखो, अगर बेटा यहाँ पर क्या होता, अगर ये x यहाँ होता और ये नंबर यहाँ पर होता, तो हम इस क्वेश्चन को सिंपल सॉल्व कर देते. ठीक है? ये डिवाइड था, वहां जाकर कन्वर्ट होता मल्टीप्लाई में और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाता. लेकिन यहाँ पर हमको ये वाला नंबर गायब है, और जब ये नंबर गायब रहता तो इन दैट सिचुएशन पहले हम इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे. दैट वाज डिवाइडेड. तो जब डिवाइड में उधर गया तो ये हो गया किसमें, मल्टीप्लाई के फॉर्म में. इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ व्हेन यू कन्वर्टेड इनटू मल्टीप्लाई, ये सॉल्व हो गया. नाउ इनटू में ये लिखा हुआ है, तो ये इधर आएगा नीचे डिवाइड में. तो इट वाज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मल्टीप्लाई, इट विल कम इन डिवाइड. एंड जैसे डिवाइड में आता है उसकी प्रोसेस आपको आगे से पता है. डिवाइड विल कन्वर्ट इनटू मल्टीप्लाई. सेकंड नंबर विल हैव इट्स रेसिप्रोकल, सो इट विल गिव यू 8 अपॉन माइनस 15. और उसके बाद हम लोगों ने नॉर्मली कैंसिल किया, एंड देन वी हैव गॉट द आंसर एज minus 9 by 10. रिमेंबर, द क्वेश्चन इज बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन द मेथड ऑफ ट्रांसफर. ठीक है? ट्रांसफर मेथड. तो अगर आपका ट्रांसफर मेथड से मैंने पहले x को ट्रांसफर किया एंड देन आई टुक द नंबर दिस साइड. ठीक है? Okay. Thank you very much. So now I will request everyone to see the comment once and see, is there any question which you need to ask? इस इन क्वेश्चंस में जो हम लोगों ने अभी डिस्कस किया उसमें कोई क्वेश्चन में डिफिकल्टी है? यस और नो?
Ma'am, no questions.
Okay. Now I believe we are on question number 4, that is simplify, no? Question number 4 is simplify. But see, this time I am on the opposite side of the mobile. So I will request you that if you want, if I am asking any question, please reply. 1 or 2 students, please reply by speaking, because I have to move other side of the mobile phone that side. Then I have to leave the board, है ना? घर में तो ऐसा होता था कि I am very closer to the mobile and the phone board both the sides. But here little bit far away, है ना? So just I need to go there and then see that, है ना? So please reply if I am asking that. So question number 4 is simplify. In the simplify question, the first value is upon 15. Now please tell me, this is plus or minus?
Plus.
This is plus, no? Okay.
Yes.
12 upon minus 3. Now when you will solve this one, yes, absolutely. So this will be, if you want to solve this one, it will give you 8 upon 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. It will give you here plus में minus 4. ठीक है, because ये minus का sign ऊपर जाएगा, so it will give you minus 4. Now when you have to solve this one, it will give you the LCM as 15. ठीक है, जब आप इसको solve करोगे, so you have 15. It will give you here minus 8. It will give you minus 60. जब आप इसको solve करोगे, it will give you minus 68 upon 15, and it will give you 15 4 जा 60. minus 4 whole 8 upon 15. ठीक है, this question was not so tough. It is only given in the form of simplification, but we have to only do normal addition or subtraction only according to the question what is asked. सबसे first I have made the now the next number simplified, that was 12 upon minus 3. उसको solve किया तो we have got minus 4. उसके बाद प्लस और माइनस माइनस होता है, तो I took the sign of minus and I simply did the process of LCM, addition and subtraction. ठीक है. Question number B is asked in the question that 17 upon 24 minus 19 upon 36. Now LCM of 24 and 36 will give you here 72. So LCM would be 72. Now when you will solve it, 24 3s are, so 3s are means 73 3s are, it will give you 51 minus 36 divided, so 72 divided by 36, it will give you here 2. So 19 2s are 38. Now when you will solve it, 8 minus 1, 11 minus 8, it will give you here 3, and 4 minus 3, it will give you here 1. So 13 upon 72 will be the answer for this question. ठीक है. Now question number C is here that 160 divided by minus 21 multiply by minus 14 upon 5. को जब आप solve करोगे, both the numbers will cut by 7 only. 7 2 जा 14, 7 3 जा 15. Sorry, 7 3 जा 21. 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15, 5 2 जा 10, 32. ऊपर आ गया मेरे पास 32, ऊपर आ गया -2, यहाँ पर नीचे आ गया -3, यहाँ पर आ गया 1. Now we will solve it normally. कहीं कुछ छूटा तो नहीं है ना? Yes, ठीक है. It will give you here minus and minus भी cancel हो जाएंगे. It will give you here 124 upon 3. और इसको जब हम solve करेंगे तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 3. एक मिनट, somewhere we are doing wrong क्या? Once please check it whether, अच्छा हाँ, correct. यहाँ पे 32 ही है ना, हम लोगों ने, मैंने मल्टीप्लाई भी कर दिया और 62 लिख दिया वहाँ पे. यहाँ 64 है. 64 upon 3. Now when you will solve it, it will give you here 3 2 6 21 1. 21 whole 1 by 3.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
21 whole 1 by 3. Yes, yes. Yes, please speak.
Ma'am, ma'am, here.
I am not able to recognize the proper voice. Speak once again.
Tell him to write chat box.
हाँ बेटा, please write it down in the chat box better. By mistake 32 को I have written 62. That is why I did the mistake, but I have corrected it. I have understood that where I have done wrong. So I have changed that. It's 32. In place of that, I wrote 62. That is why it was little bit different. But it will be 32 now. Now moving on to next question. That is the last one, I believe. Minus 63 upon 14 divided by 35 upon minus 7. ठीक है, इस क्वेश्चन को बिल्कुल वैसे ही सॉल्व करेंगे as we are doing it. Divide 63 upon 14 will remain like this. Divide always converts into multiply, and the second number will have its reciprocal. तो 35 upon minus 7 का क्या बन जाएगा? 7 upon 35. ठीक है, और जब आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो इट विल गिव यू 7 के टेबल से ये दोनों कटेंगे. 7 5 जा 35, 7 9 जा 63. नाउ 7 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14. ठीक है, नाउ वी हैव गॉट दिस. नाउ माइनस माइनस विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड, दैट विल बी गिविंग यू प्लस. 9 1 जा 9. नाउ 2 5 जा 10. So answer would be 9 upon 10 in this situation. Okay. Now please see these questions properly. If understood, very good. If not understood, then to ask from me. If understood, please reply yes. If understood, please reply yes. If not understood, reply no. Because now we are on the last question. Do you have any question? Multiply, and this is x. I took the x number and minus 7 upon 12. तो इस क्वेश्चन को जब आप सॉल्व करोगे तो you will get this is x in multiply और this is multiply. तो अगर आप इसको x ऐसे लिखना चाहोगे तो भी सही है. ठीक है, अगर आप इसको ऐसे लिख देते हो तब भी क्वेश्चन में कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज multiplications are always commutative. So either you write this number with this or you write this number with this. Both are same. So now x will be remaining here. Minus 7 upon 12 यही रहेगा. ये multiply वाला वहाँ जाएगा divide में, और it will give you here minus 11 upon 9. ठीक है. Now just simple divide will convert into multiply. It will give you minus 7 upon 12. Divide will convert into multiply. And 9 upon minus 11 will be the number. 9 upon 11 will be the number here. Now solve it. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. बाकी कुछ नहीं कट रहा है, तो minus 21 ऊपर रहेगा, 11 4 जा 44 नीचे रहेगा, साइन रहेगा माइनस का. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. It would be minus plus 21 upon 44. This is the complete solution for this question. ठीक है, I believe this chapter rational number is done properly. Please go through with the questions of the COMATE. If you feel that still you have any question, any doubt, any question, any doubt from this chapter, either from RS or NCERT or RD Sharma or any other helping book which you are using it, you may ask from me in the next class. ठीक है, I'll take up next class the questions if you want to ask. ठीक है, अगर आपको पूछना है तो आप कल नेक्स्ट डे की मतलब कल की क्लास में आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो, और अगर आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछोगे इट मीन्स आई विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है, अंजलि बेटा, दिस इज क्लास 10th B. This is class 10th B because